How to set up email alerts for account activity in Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to stay updated on your money, well, let's set up email alerts in Regions Bank. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here you simply have to log in to your Regions online banking from your desktop, and once logged in, on the top, you simply have to click on customer service. And there, once you click on it from the list, you simply have to select alerts and you will see option for balance alerts, transaction alerts and security notification. So there, you can click setup alerts and then choose what type of activity you want to track, like low balance, deposits, or large withdrawals. And next, you simply have to select email as a delivery method and enter your preferred email address if it's not already listed. And you can also set the frequency of alerts, whether instant, daily, or weekly. And with that, you just have to hit save and you are all set. Now from on, Regions will notify you by email about your account activity. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.